Picture a typical millionaire from the 90s, a sharp suit, decades of climbing the corporate ladder, and gray hair. Now look at the reality of 2026, a 19-year-old in a hoodie making more in a single NFT drop or through microblogging than a corporate executive makes in a lifetime. Gen Z and Gen Alpha are breaking the wealth code our parents swore by. While we study the old school rules, get a degree, find a stable job, save 10%, they are simply changing the game. Knight Frank's research shows we're entering the great wealth transfer, and the youth are already at the wheel. But it's not just inheritance. In this video, we're decoding. Why does the old formula, labor equals money, no longer work? How are 15-year-olds bypassing the system using digital leverage? And most importantly, what exactly are we doing wrong by trying to build wealth with 20th century methods? Buckle up, we're decoding the psychology of new money. Many mistakenly believe that Zoomers are just lucky slackers, but if we look at the data, we see a fundamental shift in how value is created. In the past, wealth was built on linear assets, land, factories, and man-hours. Today, it's built on digital leverage. What is this? Naval Ravikant, a prominent investor, explains it best. Code and media are permissionless leverage. To build a factory, you need people and capital. To launch an app or create content seen by millions, you only need a laptop. Gen Z is the first generation born understanding that one line of code or one viral video can replace 10,000 labor hours. The second factor is the velocity of knowledge. Think about how hard it was to access financial data in the 80s. Today, a 14-year-old Gen Alpha can learn the basics of compound interest, crypto arbitrage, or algorithmic trading on YouTube in a single weekend. Expert knowledge has been democratized. While older generations spend 5 years on theory at university, the youth are practicing micro-learning in real time. Let's talk about the psychological barrier. We were raised on the concept of delayed gratification. Study now, live later. But the world has become too volatile for 40-year plans. Zoomers see inflation eating savings and housing markets being overheated. Their answer? Aggressive early-stage risk. Psychologists note that Gen Z has far less fear of failure in digital environments. To them, launching a startup is just another try, like in a video game. Another old-school mistake is the belief in a vertical career. We try to climb the ladder within one company. Gen Alpha and Gen Z choose horizontal monetization. One person might have 5 income streams: freelancing, content ad revenue, crypto staking, and reselling niche goods. They don't look for a job, they build an income ecosystem. We often ask, what are we doing wrong? The painful answer is we keep selling our time, while the new generation sells their systems and attention. In the attention economy, 1 million followers is a more liquid asset than commercial real estate. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Rapid wealth creates an illusion of ease, leading to burnout and massive psychological pressure. But the fact remains that youth are getting rich faster because they use tools with infinite scalability. While we take the stairs, they are building an elevator out of software and social networks. The difference between us and them isn't age, it's the operating system in our heads. Wealth today isn't a reward for seniority, it's a reward for adaptability and understanding how attention works. You can keep playing by the old rules and wait for the result, or admit that the rules have changed forever. What do you think? Is this a temporary bubble, or are we witnessing the birth of a new financial elite? Let me know in the comments which digital leverage you started using today. And remember, it's never too late to upgrade your financial code. Subscribe to Life Decoded. We break down life piece by piece.